Hello friends, I am Husnain. Welcome to my new video. Today I am visiting the Pakistan most historical place of Lahore Fort. In this video we will get all the information about this fort. Without wasting any time, let's check out this video. Lahore Fort has many gates to enter. We are entering through this Roshnai Gate. It's a Roshnai Gate and it's broken on one side. Roshnai Gate is connected to the Shahi Mosque and Alamgiri Gate of Lahore Fort. There is Shahi Masjid on one side and the gate of Alamgiri of Lahore Fort on the other side. The Shahi Mosque was also built by the Mughal Emperor. This area belongs to the mosque. The entrance of the fort on the other side. There is a ticket counter and I am buying a ticket to enter. The Lahore Fort is a historic fort located in the city of Lahore. Buggies are also available to visit the fort and also guide those who will ride in a buggy. The fort was originally built in 11th century but was destroyed and rebuilt many times over the centuries. The name of this gate is Shah Gate. Shah means Sheesh Mahal. The name of this gate is Shah because it is next to the wall of Sheesh Mahal. Now we see this 17th century fort built by the Mughal dynasty. There is a question, who is Mughal? The Mughal dynasty was a Muslim dynasty that ruled the Indian subcontinent from the 16th to 19th century. Here we can observe the rule or culture of the 16th century. There was a prison at this place during the Mughal period. The Mughal were famous for their military ability, cultural achievements and architecture masterpieces. There is a huge garden in front of the Diwan-e-Aam. Here people are enjoying the trip with their families. The fort is called Shahi Qila in Urdu language. Diwan-e-Aam. Mughal used to sit here and give justice to people and was also used for other official functions. There is a prison in its basement. The Diwan-e-Aam is known for its impressive architecture. It has 40 Persian style pillars and 2 to 3 building floors. The fort is known for its beautiful architecture and complex design, which includes a variety of buildings, gardens and courtyards. This is Jahangir Square. This is the Haveli of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh is the Maharaja of the first Sikh Empire. Maharaja Ranjit Singh lived here after the defeat of Mughals. Now this mansion is closed for some reason. Most of the places here are closed due to security and other reasons. The Mughal Gallery is a museum that exhibits a collection of artifacts from the Mughal era, such as weapons, pottery, jewelry and textiles. The gallery was established in 2011. It is a statue of Taj Mahal which was built by Shah Jahan in India. There is a painting of that time on walls. These are coins of old centuries. This is the books of the Mughals. Another gallery is now closed, which houses all historical items. This is Shah Jahan Square. This is the Khwabga of Shah Jahan. The Khwabga was Shah Jahan's bedroom. 5 bedrooms are aligned in a single row. The whole marble walls and are decorated with white marble. This is the first building constructed by Shah Jahan in the fort. There is a Diwan Khas in front of the Shah Jahan bedroom. Diwan Khas, meaning hall of special audience, served as a private chamber for the Mughal emperors, where they would hold private meetings, receive important guests, and discuss matters of state. In the 16th century, the Ravi River was visible from this window. The Ravi River used to flow through this site in the 16th century. Now we just imagine what it looked like. This area belongs to Sheesh Mahal and it is the outer area of the palace. This is the ticket to enter the palace. This place was used to the personal use of the Mughal family. This is the entrance of Sheesh Mahal. There is a beautiful large lawn at the entrance. The Sheesh Mahal, also known as the Palace of Mirrors. The palace was built during the reign of Emperor Shah Jahan and is known for its intricate design and decoration, including extensive mirror work, frescoes, and tile work. The palace was used as a private residence for the emperor and his family and is considered one of the finest examples of Mughal architecture and design. Today, the Sheesh Mahal is a popular tourist attraction and is considered an important cultural site in Pakistan. From this window, we can see the view of Minar-e-Pakistan. This is the beauty parlor of Shah Jahan family and now it's under construction. This is the Naulakha Pavilion. The Naulakha Pavilion is an iconic site of the Lahore Fort that is made of prominent white marble and known for its specified curvilinear roof. It cost around 9 lakh rupees, which is a huge amount at that time. The name of the monument derived from the Urdu word 9 lakh rupees, Naulakha. During the Mughal era, this place was used to tide up the expensive horses of the Mughals. When we visit this fort, we see the Shahi Mosque from many sides. And this mosque is most beautiful. I'm really excited to see this mosque. But if you want to see this mosque, then tell me in comment box. I will show you this mosque in my future video. Thank you all for watching the entire video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, so please like the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for you. Also link my different videos on I button. Go and check out this.